Hello everyone, in this video we're going to discuss about whether economics is a science or an art. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment your views in the comment section. Let's start the session. Economics as a science. The term science has its origin in term scientia, of Latin language which means to know. The knowledge of the subject makes us understand and able to describe its causes and effects. There are various definitions where one says science is a systematic body of knowledge concerning the relationship between causes and effects of a particular phenomenon. The collection of facts affects all economic activities in the economy. For example, the observations done by an economist are related to the consumers buying large quantities and thus retard the utility of its usage, and when there is a rise in prices, the demand diminishes. These are the facts which are collected by him relating to economic activities which are compiled does not signify it being a science. According to Pointer, science is built up of facts as a house is built of stones, but an accumulation of facts is no more a science than a heap of stones is a house. Thus, the significance of it being a science requires collection, classification, and analysis of the facts in a systematic manner. Economics is the systematic collection, classification, and analysis of the economic facts. Collection of facts, measurement, and explanation, verification are the prominent features of science. A detailed study of these features will testify the economics as a science is as follows. The first one here is collection of facts, measurement, explanation. The final is verification or validity of the laws. We'll see one by one. Collection of facts. In science, facts relating to the subject are collected. Similarly, in economics, facts pertaining to the economic activities are collected. For example, the observations done by an economist are related to the consumer buying large quantities and thus retard the utility of its usage, and when there is a rise in prices, the demand diminishes. An economist accumulates facts relating to various economic activities. The next one is measurement. In science, the facts are measured. Thus, efforts are made to properly classify the facts and then proper presentation is done. Similarly, in economics, facts are measured where an economist will observe the contraction of demand in proportion to the rise in prices. It is a basic question that if there is unemployment in the country, then what is the number of unemployed persons? What is the growth rate of national income of a country? To measure these facts, the help is provided to an economist by econometrics, statistics and mathematics, and the collection of facts in written form, which is known as data. The next one is explanation. There is a need of explanation of the facts after being collected and measured. The economic laws are framed on the basis of an established relationship between cause and effect of a fact. For example, the formulation of the law of demand is based on the study of mutual relationship between changes in price and subsequent changes in demand and vice versa. The final one is verification or validity of the laws. The validity of scientific laws is subject to verifications by their applications to real life situations, which being a final feature of science. In other words, whether they adapt to the facts or not. There are two ways of verification, as every science look for verification of the validity of its laws. The first one is laws based on real assumption should be considered valid. The second one is if the prediction of any law happens to be true, then it is valid. All the economic laws hold true when they are subject to verification and experiments are conducted in this respect. For instance, there are various laws like law of diminishing returns, law of diminishing marginal utility, and so on, which are valid as they are applicable to real life situations. Next, we are going to see what if economics as an art. Whether economics is an art or not is yet another controversial subject among the economists. In this respect, J.N. Keynes observed that an art is a system of rules for an attainment of given ends. The term applied economics is used by J.M. Keynes against art, whereas modern economists have used the term economic policy for art. Thus, economics as an art facilitates in solving and practical problems of an individual. The best methods can enable us in achieving economic ends by study. Thank you.